Hey everyone, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. I'm your host Gyoko, and today I'm gonna share with you my top 5 free programs for 2D art and animation. This will be perfect for anyone starting out on a budget or just exploring digital art without paying for expensive software. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's draw. At number 5 is GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulator Program. A lot of people think of it as the free alternative to Photoshop, and for basic painting, editing, and illustration work. That's a very fair comparison if you ask me. A lot of people use it for YouTube thumbnails or making funny memes. You can paint, adjust images, use layers, blend modes, and there's a ton of community-made brushes and plugins for it. It's available for Mac, PC, tablet, iPad, sadly no iPhone, but I'd say it's got a wide variety of places you can use it. GIMP is also a lot easier to use than Photoshop and has similar tools. It's not as artist-focused as the programs I'll be bringing up, but if you're coming from traditional art and want a program that also handles photo editing and design things, this is a solid starting point. This is best for beginners to intermediate artists who want a general art and editing tool without paying. At number 4 is FireAlpaca. This one is all about simplicity. You can sketch, ink, paint, and it's super light on features so that you don't get overwhelmed. There are plenty of tutorials on their website, and its ease of use is amazing. It's available for Mac, PC, tablet, and sadly no iPhone. This is one of the easiest art tools to learn. The interface is clean and very straightforward. No huge menus or confusing panels. It's pretty simple, and a lot of people start here just to get used to drawing digitally. If you've ever opened Clip Studio Paint and thought, whoa, that's a lot, well, FireAlpaca is like the baby version. It doesn't have nearly as many brushes, and it'll take you a little bit of time to calibrate the brushes, but it does let you draw and paint with ease, and that's super important. I'd say that this program is best for beginners or anyone who wants to play around with digital art. Come on, guys, get out there. Make that comic or cringy OC. I won't judge. Number 3 is Photopea. This program runs on your browser, so you don't have to install anything. It's primarily used for photo editing, but you can draw on it too. This program has saved me hours of editing when I was traveling and working on a last-minute project on the go. You can also draw freely within the program and export your image without a problem. It feels just like a sleeker Photoshop, and it allows you to open up PSD files, animated GIFs, and other formats. It's also open source. It's available for Mac, PC, iPad, iPhone, Android, tablet, mostly because it's browser-based. But I wouldn't recommend it in iPhone or Android. It's really difficult to edit photos on them. Just trust me on this. The interface is approachable, but has more features than GIMP. I wouldn't recommend using this to make digital paintings or webcomics, though. I mean, you can if you want to. You can make something funny like I'm doing now. You just have to make sure you export your work and save it as a JPEG. Now, there are some cons. The only downside to this, in my opinion, is that you can generate AI images that are cursed. This one, I honestly wouldn't recommend it. You're better off making art on your own, because guess what? You're the creative one in power, and you can do it. Compared to Photoshop, this is lighter, faster, and it's free. This program is best for photo editors and people who want to make YouTube thumbnails, Facebook banners, or even Instagram post images. But in reality, I would say this is a great place to make funny images. This is best for people who need a good photo editor on the go, or anybody who wants to just make some funny images. Coming in at number 2 is Krita, and this program is one of my favorites on this whole list. It's gorgeous for painting, making illustrations, and yes, it even has a frame-by-frame animation features. It's available on Mac, PC, Linux, tablet. Unfortunately, no native iPad version is available for this, and it might work on some Android tablets. Krita is one of my favorites, and it's due to its combination of everything. It's approachable enough for beginners with a lot of built-in resources, but deep enough for experienced artists. The brushes feel great, the interface is customizable, and the timeline lets you animate directly inside the art workspace. Drawing and creating illustrations are good, but animating, I found, was a little hard to get used to. But once you do, you got this. If you're thinking, what's the free version of Procreate or Photoshop with animation plugins? Krita is very close. It doesn't have every feature of Procreate on the iPad, but it's excellent for digital painting and 2D animation without paying, especially for you desktop users out there. Here's looking at you, kid. Artists who want a great painting engine and basic animation all in one, this is for you. If you know Photoshop or any photo editing program, you could also edit photos in here as well. But as I mentioned before, I highly recommend this one due to its powerful painting tools. And this one is also open source, and you should really support the developers on this. You can also purchase the paid version that has more features, but the free version works just as well. It's accessible for everyone. At number 1 is OpenToonz. This is a full 2D animation suite capable of serious work like traditional animation, cutout rigs, and production level timelines. Guys, please do not sleep on this software. It needs way more love. It's available for Mac, PC, and Linux. OpenToonz isn't the easiest to use at first, but once you learn the basics, it's extremely powerful. It's like the free equivalent of software like Toon Boom or TV Paint, which studios pay thousands of dollars for. I'm currently taking an online animation course, and it has helped me get through a lot of the lessons. The OpenToonz community also has a lot of tutorials, free resources, and so much support. Think of OpenToonz like a free version of Toon Boom Harmony. Lots of advanced tools, effects, and animation workflows. They're used on serious projects like you don't know yet. You won't find this level of 2D animation capability free anywhere else. Well, maybe in Blender's 2D grease pencil, but maybe I'll go over that another time. There is also an OpenToonz Discord and YouTube channel that have plenty of tutorials and workflows. This software is also open source and has a wonderful group of animators working hard behind it. And again, guys, don't sleep on it. Jump high, get your feet in the door. Get to downloading. You want this. I'd say this software is best for animators who want professional, traditional animation tools without a huge price tag. Again, jump on it. So what are my final thoughts? I would say just to go down the list again, at number 5 is GIMP, Photoshop style tool for art and editing. Number 4, FireAlpaca, simple, friendly, great for beginners. Start there. At number 3, Photopea, wonderful for photo editing as well. Great for social media templates and making funny little memes. Number 2, Krita, my favy, strong for painting and maybe some basic animation. And number 1, OpenToonz, with its full 2D animation power. Whether you're sketching your first character or animating a short film, these programs give you real capability without paying any money. And you can absolutely use them in a professional workflow. So get out there and create the art or animation that you have always dreamed of. Pick what software is right for you. Try them all. Experiment. What brings you joy? Don't just sit around anymore and wait till, oh man, I guess I gotta wait till this is perfect. No, you don't know when things are gonna change right out from under you. You just have to create and believe in yourself. I'm not even saying this to be wishy-washy. I'm just saying this because of how things are changing in the world. And don't forget, you can do it. You can create the thing that you want. You just have to try. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials and animation reviews. I really like talking about old school animation, anime, and video games. So if you want, check out this video. Anyway, see you guys next time.